Hi everyone, welcome to the Sharp Painting channel. Today we want to draw the elves and the shoemaker and tell a story. Sharp Painting. This is the story of a shoemaker who was very poor because he stopped buying his shoes. He lived with his wife. He only had old clothes to save a pair of shoes. He put the clothes on the table and was thinking about saving tomorrow's shoes. That night, 4 elves come to help this kind man. By morning, they put on the best shoes and left. The next morning, the shoemaker and his wife were surprised to see the shoes. Soon a merchant saw the shoes and bought them. With this money, the shoemaker bought clothes to save 2 pairs of shoes and placed it on the table. Once again, the elves made shoes like the previous shoes for the shoemaker. After this, the shoemaker wanted to thank them. So one night he and his wife stayed up all night. To their surprise, they saved for the elf saving shoes very quickly. The couple decided to give them something as a thank you. They put the most beautiful shoes on the table for them. And the elves were overjoyed to see their shoes. And they were never seen again. After that, they bought more clothes and saved many shoes. They were saved from poverty. Shoemaker and his wife became rich forever. Today our story is over. Do you hope others like the elves? Don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to the Sharp Painting channel and activate the bell so you don't miss our beautiful painting and stories. So today painting is finished. Until the next video, bye bye.